This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Erica Ashcraft. Beautifully maintained one-owner home on a private, wooded 1.17-acre lot on a cul-de-sac. This light-filled home features an open floor plan, hardwood floors, and spacious living areas throughout. The gourmet kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, double ovens, and a custom walk-in pantry with countertop and electrical. The spacious open living room boasts large windows with an abundance of natural light, and offers custom built-ins and propane fireplace. The first floor bedroom is perfect for an in-law suite or office with a private full bathroom. All bedrooms are generously sized, and the frog adds a versatile space for additional bedroom or entertainment media room. Outside, one will enjoy a screened porch leading to large saltwater pool and hot tub with an abundance of entertainment and play space in peaceful wooded surroundings with beautiful, mature landscaping. This home is an excellent